Ethan was a busy college student living on a tight budget. He wanted to eat healthy but found it challenging with his limited time and money. His nutritionist recommended incorporating dried beans into his diet. Beans are affordable, non-perishable, and packed with protein and fiber. Ethan started experimenting with beans and was amazed by their versatility. He made chili with red kidney beans, hummus with garbanzo beans, and black beans brownies. His grocery bills went down and he felt more energetic. Beans became a staple in his diet. Dried beans have been cultivated for over 8,000 years and were among the first crops grown by humans. They were a vital source of protein for many ancient cultures. However, bean consumption declined in the 20th century with the popularity of meat and convenience foods. Dry Bean Day on January 6 aims to revive the traditional bean-based meals and make beans a part of daily diets. Beans are highly nutritious, containing antioxidants, B vitamins, iron, magnesium, potassium, and zinc. Eating beans regularly can help reduce cholesterol, control blood sugar levels, and promote digestive health. Beans are also extremely affordable and environmentally sustainable. To celebrate Dry Bean Day, people cook meals featuring beans as the main ingredient. Recipes like chickpea curry over rice, black bean burritos, and lentil soup are popular. Food bloggers create bean-inspired recipes and meal plans people can try. Community centers and healthy organizations host bean cooking demonstrations and distribute free bean samples. Social media helps raise awareness about the nutritional benefits of beans. People share photos of their bean creations using the hashtag #DryBeanDay. Apparel companies offer discounts on t-shirts and other merchandise with bean-related slogans. Ethan continues to enjoy beans and often hosts bean potlucks for his friends on Dry Bean Day. He believes beans are an underrated food that deserves more attention. Beans are one of the healthiest and most inexpensive pantry staples. When cooked properly with spices and aromatics, beans can be a delicious part of any cuisine. However, the anti-nutrient phytic acid in beans may prevent nutrient absorption. Soaking or sprouting beans before cooking and not relying on them as the only source of nutrition can help overcome this. Promoting Dry Bean Day helps more people add beans to their regular diet in creative, culturally relevant ways. Including beans in meals just 2 to 3 times a week can make a significant impact on health and budget. Beans belong on plates everywhere, every day. Dry Bean Day is celebrated on January 6. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful Dry Bean Day. Cheers!